What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani, and welcome back to my channel. So you want to be a DJ, right? You're someone that is watching this, aspiring to be a DJ. But my real question would be, what kind of DJ do you want to be? See, this is by far the most important question that someone looking to get into the industry needs to address and answer, because the path to get you to wherever you want to go is going to differ on the answer to that question. If you're a DJ that's looking to do private events, that's one thing. If you're a DJ that's looking to get involved in the nightlife, the bar life, the club life world, that's a different path. To get involved in radio, that's even a different path. What kind of DJ you want to be is probably the first step in getting closer to your goal of being successful in the DJ industry as a whole, no matter what path you're looking to take. Now, I'm someone that's played in all areas of this industry for a long time, and I'm saying this because on this channel, I have a lot of content geared to the business of DJing, specifically the private event side of the industry. But there's a lot of lessons that can be put into each side of the industry, whether it be radio, whether it be club life, whether it be private events, so forth and so on. I'm asking this question because a lot of times I get asked, how do I start? Where do I start? And this right here is number one. Question number one you need to answer is, what kind of DJ do you want to be? Now, I'd love to hear from you. What kind of DJ are you? What kind of DJ do you want to be? Throw it in the comments field down below, and be on the lookout for a new series right here on this channel. I'm going to share some things that I would do, knowing everything that I know, if I had to restart today in 2022, starting my business and getting involved in the DJ industry. I want to share the steps that I would go through right here on the channel. I hope you feel me. I hope you feel that. And if you are new to the channel, I'd love to invite you to support me and this channel with some sub love. Just crush that subscription button down below. Hit the thumbs up button if you want. And again, leave a comment. Let me know what kind of DJ you are or you are trying to be in the comments field down below.